Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today I'm going to show you to fix this problem where it says a network error has occurred, restart, and this is for YouTube. And what's happening here guys is usually whenever you get this error, it's network based, meaning that the TV itself or YouTube is unable to connect to the internet. So you have several options in this case. The first thing I want you to do guys is to go ahead and check your internet router. Check to see if it's indicating you have internet. A good idea is to reboot the internet as well. So go ahead and reboot the router and of course give it a minute. Once you do, come back to the TV and hit restart, especially if your other devices are able to connect to the internet. If you hit restart and it doesn't come back up, next tip is to turn off the TV completely, turn it back on afresh, plug it from the wall, plug it back in, restart and retry. If you have a hotspot on your phone, I suggest that you use the internet on your phone. So you're going to use your internet. If your host internet is out, you can use the internet on your phone. So for example, use your phone and your mobile data, and what you can do is create a hotspot, and once you create that hotspot, you're going to connect the TV, and once you connect the TV, it should help with this problem. Alright, so in this case here, I have quickly went ahead and plugged the router out and back in. So I'm going to hit restart. And of course, you'll see another error. It says try again. Alright, so I'm going to hit try again. Alright, so sometimes even when the router is out, the TV itself needs to be rebooted. So I'm going to restart the TV itself. It's not enough to simply retry. So let me use the remote, power off the TV. Alright, I'm going to hit shut down. There you go. Alright, so I've restarted. Alright, so the TV is going to reboot. Alright, so the TV, you notice it says connected using Wi-Fi again. So what that means that the TV itself is basically restarting everything. So sometimes it's not enough to simply restart your router. The TV itself needs to reconnect. Alright, so I'm gonna go here. It's a YouTube error, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit YouTube. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is give it a minute, and YouTube is loading. And skip that. Alright, so we're gonna go in, and there you go guys, it's back up. I know it's back up because you can actually see that everything is loaded. I don't want to play anything, but as you can see, everything is back up, and of course the error is now gone. Alright, so hope that was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.